Hey, what's up guys? It's the Michigan Minecrafter back here with another video, and today I'm doing the very much requested OBS tutorial as requested by Owen, right? He's the one who wanted this?
Yep, Owen Henry 2002.
Alright, so yeah, the much requested meaning one person requested it, OBS tutorial. So, if you don't know already, OBS is the software that I use to record all of my videos, and it's just a free recording software that you can just download off the internet pretty easily. This is their website, and yep. So if you have any reason to be recording your screen, this is definitely what I would use. And yeah, so um, I'm just going to be going through the different settings and stuff that I use in order to record with it. And so, yeah, let's get right into it. So, first things first, I'm going to go up to the settings tab and show you guys just sort of what the settings that I use look like. And it'll bring up all these different like tabs and stuff to look at, but it's really not um, like there's only a few that you really have to worry about. So the ones that I usually have to look at are video and audio, and that's because in the video tab you basically can just edit well, I don't really need to edit the video adapter. That's just talking about my graphics, whatever that is. And then, so this is the resolution that I have it set for, 1080p, because that's why all of my videos are in that resolution. And then I have it at 30 FPS just because usually when I'm recording Minecraft, going to 60 FPS while I'm recording just results in Minecraft lagging, which basically makes it pointless. And then the audio tab is where you can set where your audio is coming from. So in my case, well, this is the audio device that lets sound come out. So that's my speakers right there. And then this is the audio that's going in. So this is the microphone that I'm actually recording with right now, which is my webcam. And then the rest of this, I don't think you really have to worry about. I don't think I actually messed with these at all when I was setting up OBS. And then the rest of this, oh, hotkeys, actually I do use that. Um, well, basically the only hotkeys I use is that I have my start recording and stop recording set to 4 and 5 on the number pad. So, yeah, that's what I use to just start recordings and then stop them. And then I think that's it. I mean, this is streaming stuff, which I don't use because I haven't started streaming yet or anything like that. But, yeah. So if I go back to the normal menu, you can see I also have all of this random stuff right here. And basically what these are they're just sort of different profiles depending on what I'm recording. So I have a few different ones set up. I've got Minecraft, which is usually the one that I use. And then I have this Minecraft window one, which is actually bugged because if you have I was about to say iOS, if you have Windows 8, then unfortunately the full screen mode doesn't work, as you probably have seen in all of my videos, because I always have the taskbar at the bottom showing and then the bar at the top that says Minecraft and then whatever version it is. And that's because I'm obviously running Windows 8, and unfortunately you can't go full screen with that because it just doesn't work. So unfortunately, those of you who want to record full screen, if you have anything below Windows 8, that'll work just fine. But if you have Windows 8, unfortunately, that's not going to work. And then the rest of these, like, well, basically the reason that I have these set up is just so that, like, if I want to, well, this is the one I'm using right now, so I'll go to a different one. This right here is the profile that I use when I'm recording with my webcam. So if I go to properties, that'll pull up sort of a custom list that you want of settings whenever you have that one selected. So in here I've got my webcam that I use for recording, and then well, I haven't messed with the resolution or anything, partly because my webcam only records in 720p and it doesn't get any higher than 30 FPS. So I didn't really have to do much with this. But like for example with Minecraft, sometimes I'll go into the properties and I will oh, this looks different. Maybe it's because I'm actually using it right now. Um, but if I go into the other Minecraft one, I can decide whether I want to record um, like what parts of the window, which, oh, actually, never mind. Forget about that part. This is for if you're trying to record um, just a specific program, which, like I said, in Windows 8 doesn't actually work. So, yeah, that's kind of not working. But for this, oh, okay, this is the monitor capture, which is what I always use. Um, you can decide whether you want to capture your mouse cursor, and obviously I have that on right now since you guys can see my mouse. And then you can choose your gamma, which basically makes the video lighter or darker. And then I actually don't know what this is. Yeah, so I don't think you really have to worry about the rest of this. I mean, the monitor really just has to do with if you are using a dual monitor setup, which I am not, so I don't have to worry about that. And yeah, so basically, to recap, the important things that you want to know are the how to change your resolution, which are these two boxes right here, and your FPS, which is right here. And then this just says what resolution your video comes out as when you are done recording it. So usually I just have these two matched up, and that's basically how I would suggest everybody else do it, unless you want to for some reason record it in a higher resolution than the actual end resulting video comes out as, which wouldn't really make a whole lot of sense, but people have their reasons. So I think that's about it, guys. If you liked this and if you found it helpful, definitely be sure to leave a like. And I will also have screenshots of the different pages in here posted on either like Google Plus or Twitter or something like that. And I'll have a link to that in the description so that you can go through and sort of copy things and troubleshoot if stuff isn't working. So, yep, that's it. I will see all you guys in the next video.